Hey, Dana here, and one more vlog. And we're spending our 5 days in New England. We're in Cape Cod at the moment, staying at the All Seasons Resort Hotel. Resort, got two swimming pools, one inside, one out. I'm going down to get their hot breakfast at the moment. And then we're heading out. We're heading down to Provincetown. I dropped into Plymouth, and I wanted to get on the Mayflower. So here we are. We have everything that you could basically want for breakfast. Okay. There's other areas of this. We have an outside pool. Really nice. They do have kitchenette type places as well. It's right out on the back porch. And of course, no, it's not of course, but they also have an indoor pool with a jacuzzi. Got everything you would want for a weekday or a month stay here in Cape Cod. And it's centrally located, so we're like 45 minutes from Provincetown, 30 minutes from Plymouth. And they even have an active fireplace during winter. Okay, thank you very much. It was been a great day.